Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You have your API key and a Colab notebook open. Now we begin. First, create a new code cell and avoid pasting keys directly into shared notebooks. Use Python to store the key in a local variable or environment. This keeps code readable and contained. Once done, install any SDK packages in line with pip if the API needs them. Make sure to run the cell and confirm no errors before proceeding. This establishes a safe starting point for the next steps. Now you implement a secure storage method. Set the key as an environment variable with OS. Environ API key equals your key so subprocesses and SDKs can access it. Alternatively, use the Google Colab library to prompt for input securely or upload a small config file and read it at runtime. This prevents accidental exposure in outputs. Install and import the API client, then initialize the client using the environment variable. Once initialized, run a simple authenticated test call to verify the key works and the client is configured correctly. Finally, execute a minimal API request to confirm everything functions. Print a small portion of the response to avoid exposing sensitive data. If you see authentication errors, recheck the exact key string, ensure no stray whitespace, and confirm the key has proper permissions and quotas. If network or library errors appear, restart the runtime and reinstall dependencies. As a troubleshooting tip, if credentials still fail, generate a new key, revoke the old one, and update the environment variable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.